Cheers, everybody. Welcome to another cat food review. Right, what we got today? We have got Gourmet's Nature's Creations. What do you reckon? Do you reckon that's going to be a good one? Do you reckon that's going to be a good one? Right, let's get it in the old bowl, shall we? Right. The fucking keys just come off the fucking can. Anyway, I got it open. We've got our Mr. Messy spoon, haven't we? Mr. Messy. Hey, let's whack it in, like you do. Hang on. Right, boys and girls, we got one for Little Miss Trouble over here. Go on, get your laughing gear around that. Come on, big boy. Get over here. Come on. Have a bit of that. Good lad. How does the lady of the house, she seems to like it. Didn't ya? Well, get stuck in, old girl. Get stuck in. How's old bit Buster doing? You doing all right, mate? Come on, get tucked in there, old son. You seem to like that. Me personally, boys and girls, I haven't tried this one for myself because it stinks, but he seems to like it. What do you think? You liking it? No? Oh, controversial. You turned your nose up at that. How can you turn your nose up at that? It's good, wholesome cat goodness, that, isn't it? Hey? Yeah, mate. Have a bit of that. Shall I get Mr. Messy? Give you a help? Yeah, I got the Mr. Messy spoon. Yeah, I'll whack that in there. Yeah, Mr. Messy. Good lad. How's Little Miss Trouble getting on? How you getting on? You always take your time, don't you? She always takes her time eating. So, boys and girls, what do we think of Purina Gourmet Nature's Creations? For starters, marks out of 10, please, mate. How much? You don't say much, do you? Well, she's just finished. So she's left a bit of that, to be honest. Quite a bit, to be honest. So it looks like this fellow here, he seems to love everything. So it's a bit of a hit and miss with us. I think. Me personally, boys and girls, I wouldn't try it myself. But out of our three, there's only one bug who really likes it, in this fellow here. So Gourmet Nature's Creations gets a bit of a thumbs down from us. So cheers. See you on the next cat food review.